I got a package. I am so excited to share with you my mystery pack from ETCHR. I ordered this months ago. If I'm being honest, I totally forgot I ordered this. Tom said, you've got a package. He gave me this package and I'm like, well, I didn't order anything and it wasn't from Amazon. So I'm like, what is this? I opened it up and this is how it came packaged. I have not opened this. We are besties. We are going to do this together. I am not sponsored by ETCHR.
Mystery pack by ETCHR.
Just keep on walking.
And friends, I am so excited to find out what is in this package.
Now I'm going to say the same line. Tom's right. I am so excited to find out what is in this June mystery pack. At the time of filming this, there is a new one out. I think it's the August or the September one. Just know when you order this, you're going to be waiting months to get it. The other thing is ETCHR says this is all new stuff. I could be wrong. I love ETCHR. I've got so many of their stuff, of course. Right? Oh, I do. Right here. So I have their everyday sketchbook. This is the little one. I think it's 5x5. And I started out using these just for pen and ink drawings. This is beautiful hot pressed paper. Why am I not putting any like paint in here? I'm going to eventually, but I haven't done that yet in this book. I have a lot of their books. I have the Perfect Sketchbook. I have the two different Perfect sketchbooks. I have the B5 size. I have the A5 size. I got A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm kidding. I don't know if that's such a thing. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. By the way, I'm Tara, if you're new around here. If you're not, we're already besties. We do have a guest. Come on over here. My grandson. Everybody knows who this is. Tell everybody who you are.
My name is Kelso.
And he's awesome. We spent the morning, what were we doing?
We went plein air painting, right?
We went plein air painting. He was cold. He had to wear my outfit. I was tired and I could not wait to get home to open up my mystery pack. Are you guys ready? Remember what happened yesterday? He was opening up Happy Mail and I messed it up. I'm going to use scissors. When in doubt, just use scissors. Watch your fingers. This came all the way from Australia. Hey, this is my box. You ready for the first thing? I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And it's the plum color. Do I want to open this up? No, because once you open them up, I don't know how much time you have, but it's not like 30 days, but it's not years. So this is an A5 size, 100% cotton, 52 pages, 220 GSM. This is a landscape format. I don't have any landscape formats. All of mine are portrait orientation. And this is hot press. You guys know I absolutely love hot press. So this is the laminated special edition. I can't wait to see what it looks like. So today we are doing a what is in the mystery bag, but be sure you are subscribed because I have a whole sketchbook video coming out, not where I'm doing a tour, where I share every single sketchbook I've got with you. And friends, I've got a lot. I don't know, 50, 100, 1,000. You're going to have to make sure you stay tuned for that. And this one is going in the mix. I cannot wait to open this. I really do want to open it, but I'm going to keep it protected for now. And it's plum color. What else is in the bag? Oh, there's like a lot of things in here. This is their mini palette. I need this because today I was struggling. 37 wells, porcelain pigment and mixing wells. Should we open this one? I say we have got to open this one. This is the first ETCHR Lab palette like this I'm going to own. Be careful opening that. It's porcelain. My fingers don't work half of the time. All right, give it to me. Oh, okay. Kelso did it. Okay, I'm gonna edit that out and pretend I did it. Look at this, friends. It's so easy to open. So first you get this super cute. Oh, it's a swatch card. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Do you see how many wells there are? If you know anything at all about me, I've got a problem when it comes to paint. So this is my art toolkit folio palette. I just filled this up. I filmed it. I don't know what's happening, when, and whatever. And look at this gorgeous palette. I don't know how many colors are in here, 10, 15, 30. I don't know. These are watercolors because I'm in my watercolor era right now, even though I am by nature an opaque painter. So I think I can fit just as many in there, but they are tiny. This looks like ceramic, and really, I always have paint all over me, and I just got this dirty. It's whatever. You know, if you're handling paint, you're going to get dirty. That's just the way it is. So these are somewhat fragile, and it's heavier because it's ceramic, but it's gorgeous. And I definitely prefer working with ceramic. Then it comes with a little protective like felt. This is the one I knew, and it has another protective for the bottom of the container. I was really looking forward to this when I saw this because I've seen other people use this palette, and this is perfect. I don't think I'm going to use this traveling. I would have to stick a magnet on it and stick it to my sketchboard. And frankly, this is heavy. This is going to be my studio palette because can I share something with you, friends? You know you want me to. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. You didn't know I spoke Spanish, did you? So this is a problem that I've got is I have way too much shit. I can't figure my life out at this point. Everything's used. So clearly I needed a new one so I can dirty this up. I am planning a video where I don't even plan. Okay, I'm planning a video where I'm not going to plan. In other words, I'm going to use all of the paint that's on my already started palettes in a painting and just wing it. That's going to be super fun. Are you interested in that? If you think it's a stupid idea, will you let me know in the comments so I don't waste my time? I love this little palette. And this is almost too tiny, but I know I can figure something out. I'm going to share something else with you. I have another palette, but it's in one of my many go bags that I'm up to at least 4 at this point, that some of the wells are tiny. And the thing of it is, when you're using watercolor, you don't need a lot. Like, I'm not going to throw this out because this teeny tiny bit of paint, I can do entire paintings with dot cards. I've done it. Have you seen the videos where I'm doing paintings with dot cards? This will easily fit inside of one of these wells with even more paint. Another thing that we can do is, can you count these for me? I'm really curious to see how many are in there. I have squirrel brain. There's no way I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I said that, but I just counted here. I am really, really excited about this palette. I think I'm going to keep this on the top instead of on the bottom. So you get this swatch card, but you only get a swatch card for that one. Where's my swatch card for this? Or is this considered a mixing well? These are tiny. I mean, I could use it as a mixing well, but I'm probably not. So I can make my own swatch card, I'm sure, but that's not happening in this video. So can you believe all of my ceramic palettes? I should have started this video off by saying, if you are severely triggered by somebody spending a lot of money or buying stuff and they have stuff and they keep buying stuff, please skip this video. If that's you, you're probably already pieced out and clicked off of this video. But if you love hauls, if you love shopping, if you love late at night, just buy it now, then we are friends, aren't we? I got to start putting some of this stuff back. 37? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have 37 wells. And this is supposed to be a mixing palette. There's nothing quite like using ceramic. I don't know exactly how I'm going to use this stuff, but I am going to keep this one on top because I'm really excited about that one. This is a really cute travel palette. Like oh, okay, it's just the first time it's hard to open. And it is going to be protected in here. Even though it rattles, it will be protected in here. Like if you're going somewhere and you want to mix on ceramic, I don't know. I'm not going to travel with this. It's going to stay right here on my tabouret with all of my other stuff. What else is in the bag, friends? There's still quite a few things in here. What is this? Oh my goodness! A trio palette case? So we have more palettes. Oh, you guys, palettes upon palettes upon palettes. I'm going to at least open this stuff, but I'm not opening the sketchbook. So you guys are going to have to forgive me for that. You get 30 days of free classes if you want to take advantage of that. At this point, I probably have months and years of classes. Wow. What on earth is this?
Looks like if you open it, then outside, you can hold pallets.
So this is 3D printed is what it seems like. Oh, wow. I don't even know what all of this is. What is this? Is this a magnet? I don't know what this is and what all of these are. What is this? I think some of these might be magnets. Are any of these magnets? I think it is a magnet, but this is just not a good magnet. Is this one better? I don't know if these are magnets. There's a bunch of them in here. And then it looks like, I think these are so that you can, like stencils. These are stencils. So I love using, oh, do you see how cute this is? Okay, if you know me from back in the day, the word llama means something, and it's upsetting to me. But I'm not going to hold ETCHR responsible for that. These are just gorgeous. They're definitely 3D printed. My youngest son, Kevin, has a 3D printer, and he is so skilled with what he does. So this is if you want to swatch them out. I think this is maybe a mixing space. Does it give you more information for what this is? 3D print palettes. We're finding hundreds of prototypes, handcrafted palettes, 3D printed using PLA plastic, plant-based, and refined by hand. Includes 4 stencils for color swatching. I don't know what these are. Does anybody know, ETCHR, if you're watching, what are these? They feel like they're supposed to be Can you see if that sticks on the fridge? I think these are magnets, and I think that they have something to do with this. But I don't know for sure. Does it stick?
No, but I see the bottom.
No, I think that's sticky. That would be sticky. So I don't know what these are. I don't know what they are. So somebody tell me what in the heck these are. I love the stencils. The case is super cute. I don't know why there's spots on both sides. Am I supposed to put the palettes inside of here? Is that what this is for? Laminated palette case. I think that's what it means. Should we test it out, friends? This is so hard to open. I'm on to something, friends. So then you can do this. Probably what I would do, how many of these do I have? Maybe what you're supposed to do is that a cushion maybe? Do you think? You know what? I think these are for the bottom of this. I think they are magnets. Look, they're just not very strong magnets. So maybe this is adhesive and it sticks on the back of this. Will you get my sketchboard? It's in the newest go bag. I think that's what this is for. This is a hunch I've got, and I think I'm onto something. I think I'm onto something, friends. If we were to do that, we can keep all of the stencils in one spot. Oh, I love this idea. I love it so much. So much.
Well, they're not strong magnets, but they still work.
That's what it's supposed to be for, but they're not very strong because this has very strong magnets in it. So it can help it, but you can't expect it to like preserve your life, save your life, or whatever. I don't know what the terminology is. I am definitely keeping this stuff like this. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. Do you love it? I love it. I don't know if I'm not supposed to use these then. I would want to use it. Maybe they just give you extra magnets. I don't know. I'm not sure what all of this is for. So we're going to do it that way. Yep, this is how it came, remember? Then you have all of these mixing wells. Now this is, I love this. Love it. ETCHR, great job. I think this is the last thing. Brushes. Oh, wow. Laminated edition watercolor brushes, set of 5. Around size 0, 1, and 2. Liner brushes 0 and 1. Okay, we need to open this, don't we? I think that's everything in my mystery bag. See, now I want to order the next mystery box. I want to order the next mystery box because I've got to say, I don't have anything that is in here. That's the other thing. Some of the previous mystery boxes, I heard that sometimes you were getting, and I could be totally wrong here, but sometimes you get something that is not new, meaning like a sketchbook they've already made. But this is, to me, this looks brand new. Oh, I am so excited to use this. I can't wait to open that, but I don't want to mess with the sizing of that. But I do want to open this. I find everything comes packaged so well.
You're like 3 months. Are they on the cost?
Yes. Okay, I'm sensing something. Do you guys see this? This is the plum edition. Do you know purple is my favorite color? Oh, I love this little brush. Oh, it looks like an apron. It is so cute. Make more art. Oh, I love them. Oh, they're so pretty. I can't wait to try these out. So these are all round brushes. Oh, I love this. I've never tried a brush from ETCHR. I didn't even know they made brushes. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 spots to put some brushes. It has this protective flap. And then what you do is you roll it up, take one edge around the other, and you tie it together. And then you have your brushes ready to go. This is not going to fit in my go bag. And really, when I'm outside, I have awesome travel brushes, so that's usually what I'm using. But that being said, with my pochade box, sometimes I do bring regular brushes, and this looks like it's going to be really handy. Now, your girl's got a thing for brushes. And these are just the brushes that are sitting here. I have boxes filled with brushes for oil paints, acrylic, and watercolor. These are just my newest brushes that I've gotten. I am planning a whole everything you need to know about brushes video, so stay tuned for that. I am very satisfied with what I got from ETCHR. What do you guys think about this awesome video, about this mystery box? Have you ever gotten a mystery box from ETCHR? I think I do want to get the next one. It was either 40 or 50% off. I can't remember how much I paid. It might have been $100. It might have been a little more. It might have been a little less. I don't remember. If it was more, I don't think it was that much more. And really, a sketchbook is like $50. And then we're getting this awesome palette stuff and the brushes. If you made it to this point in the video, well, you put a palette emoji, so I know you are still here. Stay tuned for how I'm going to use all of these supplies. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.